Welcome to part 8 of the 1000 verb challenge. Let's get started. Win. Win. He hopes to win the race tomorrow. Offer. Offer. They will offer him a new job next week. Remember. Remember. Please remember to bring your keys. Love. Love. She loves to read books in her free time. Consider. Consider. He will consider your suggestion carefully. Appear. Appear. A rainbow may appear after the rain stops. Need. Need. You need to study for the test tomorrow. Wait. Wait. Please wait here until the doctor is ready. Serve. Serve. They serve breakfast at the hotel from 7 a.m. Die. Die. The plant will die without enough water. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 verb challenge. See you in the next video.